All right, a quick update on Jasmy here. It feels like it's been forever since I looked at Jasmy. So Jasmy from the last update, it's still holding the smaller uptrend, low to the high. It held that 786 here at 1.9. Currently at 2.1 here. It's up 6.5% on the week. And it's looking good here. It's holding our support level. It's holding that 786. It's holding the uptrend. And we'll see if we get a bounce back up on Jasmy here for a move finally back up. Like the rest of the market, I think has bottomed out, so I think we're going to start moving up here at some point. Now, with that being said, the first big price to beat is going to be 2.3 here to get back over the 618 here on the smaller Fibonacci, of course, and then 2.6, and then so on and so forth. And I've mentioned many times, until we get back over 3 pennies, we cannot be bullish right now. So it needs to come all the way up here to the 382 and get back over 3, and then that's when I think that momentum on Jasmy is going to come back in, and then it'll start moving once again. So this thing needs to move up from where you are about 41%. So decent move to get bullish here short term on Jasmy. And then of course the big price to beat, we've mentioned this many times, is getting over the 5.5 penny range, depending on what chart you look at. A 137% move. Once we get over this macro 382 here at 5, I think that's the point where Jasmy is going to be extremely bullish. So the time to buy Jasmy, was all back here, of course, but on these dips here. Now, with all that being said, how high is Jasmy going to go? First, let me mention this just in case if we do end up going lower. If you fall lower than where you are right now at 2.1, below that 786, then you are going to come back down, break this little tiny uptrend here, drop about 21% back down to the macro 236 at 16 here. But we already hit it on this wick back here, bounced, and on the smaller time frames, of course, we're forming that bullish market structure we like to see off of the support and the trend line there. So with that being said, how high is Jasmy going to go? Let me take one of these off. I don't know why I have two on here. So I guess we'll just start off with the 786 retracement here. So here on the Gate.io chart, which has a lot more history and price, this has the 786 here at $1.09. That's going to give Jasmy a $50 billion market cap and about a 52.5x from today. Where we are in price. So I think Jasmy has the potential to hit the 786 at $1 here. So that is my target for this cycle. I don't see why it would not hit that target there. To be more conservative, maybe a price you want to watch to take profit out. A lot of people, from what I'm hearing, are looking around a 30 to 35 cent range here, and that's going to give Jasmy about a $14 billion market cap, and you're going to get a little decent 14.5x on your investment here. And then to be way more conservative, we have the 12 cent mark, a solid 5.5, almost a 6x up to 12 pennies. So 12, 30, and then potentially a $1.09 here are good targets to watch to take profit out. Now, if we go over to the Coinbase chart here, we pretty much have the same thing going on here, and those macro targets would be, you can see the 618 is at 5.5 pennies, so 5.5 pennies would be a good target to potentially take some money out. And then of course the 12 penny mark, a 6 billion market cap on this chart to that 786. And then of course here on the Coinbase chart, it's up to 35 cents here, which a lot of people are looking at. $17.5 billion market cap, up to 35, and about a 16x on your investment here. And then on this chart, we have the $65 billion market cap to the new high at the 1272 at $1.31 here. So it depends on what chart people are looking at here. So we do have 12.35 and $1.30, as opposed to the other chart, which you could pretty much just round it up or round it off, say 30, $1, and then 12 pennies here for potential profit taking targets on Jasmy. And then of course, hold a bag to see if this thing is actually going to hit $1 and then get that decent move up here. So what are your thoughts? Do you think Jasmy is going to hit $1? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.